What if I told you that you can start a t-shirt printing business with as little as $200? Wait. But just by sticking around to the end of this video, you have a chance to win a free heat press to start your business. In this video, I'm gonna talk about what equipment you need, where to find your prints, where to find your apparel, how and where to find your clientele, and last but not least, how to price your items. So make sure you stick around for the next 10 minutes and soak up all of this free information. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you all of the details on how you can enter to win a free heat press to start your business. First, you're going to need a heat press. There are a bunch of different kinds of heat presses. You have the clamshell, the swinger, the draw, and the submason. To get started, all you need is the basic, which is going to be the clamshell. These are going to be priced between anywhere from $200 all the way up to a couple $1,000s. Make sure when you're purchasing a heat press, you want to make sure it has two different things. It's going to be a temperature gauge and also a timer, because once you order these designs, it's going to tell you need to press it for between 7 to 20 seconds, and also it's going to need to be pressed at a certain temperature. So it's important to have a timer as well as a temperature gauge, so you're making sure that you're printing these the correct way. And then also, there are a bunch of different sizes for heat presses. The most common sizes are going to be the 15 by 15 and the 16 by 20. For this giveaway, I'm going to be doing the 15 by 15 because honestly, that's all I've ever purchased, and that honestly always worked for me. Next, we have our heat transfers. So anytime you see someone with a design on their shirt, that's exactly what I'm talking about. So we need to find a company to order these designs from. There are only two companies that I order from. I wouldn't recommend anyone else. First, on Instagram, it's going to be dmax_printing. This is a friend of mine. His work speaks for itself. Check out his account and scroll down and look at all his work. His work is amazing. He doesn't even know I'm mentioning him in this video. But if you want a price list, make sure you DM him on Instagram, and also just let him know Timothy Williams Jr. sent him. He'll be super surprised. He doesn't have a website, but you can get a price list by just shooting him a DM. He lost his business a couple months ago to a fire, but now he's back up and running. So just honestly, just make sure to support. If you support black businesses, support him. He would greatly appreciate it. Next, we have FMexpressions. They have designs for as low as 15 cents per design with a $25 setup fee. The great thing about them, they offer a free sample pack. So you can put in all of your information on their website. They'll send you the free sample pack, and you can use their free sample pack to see exactly if you like the quality of their work. Where can I purchase apparel for my t-shirt printing business or my clothing line? First, we have Jiffyshirts. Jiffyshirts is great if you're ordering for a family reunion or any big event like that. They have low prices, you don't need a tax ID to order from them, and they have great quality apparel. Next, we have alphabroder. Alphabroder does require a tax ID, but they have great work, low prices, and they have a plethora of apparel that you could choose from. Last, if you're starting a clothing line, we have superlinewholesale. They have low prices, great apparel, and super fast shipping. How and where to find your customers? Start with your circle as well as your network. Post on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all of your social media platforms, and let everyone know that you have a t-shirt printing business, and you can print all of their designs in exchange for a fee. Then start with businesses. Think about all of the businesses that you support on a day-to-day basis. Go to them and let them know you have a t-shirt printing business as well. You can print all of their designs for their company and anything that they need. And then think about clothing lines. Everyone wants to start a clothing line. That gives you a great opportunity to print those designs for that clothing line. The more they grow, the more you grow with them as well. Think about it. There are millions of people in this world, and there are 7 days in a week. Typically, if you're a clean person, you change your shirt or your clothes every single day. So that gives you 7 days and millions of people. So millions of opportunities for you to print those designs for those people. Now for the fun part, the marketing aspect. This is how you're going to set yourself apart from anyone else. Go to businesses, clothing lines, and big events and use your money to print designs for them for free. Yes, I said for free. This is going to be how you set yourself apart from anyone else. Make sure to leave all of your marketing material, your business cards, your flyers, and everything along with those designs. What this does is it plants the seed. You're going to show them the quality of your work, and also you're sticking your neck out for your business and giving them something for free. They may not order today, tomorrow, or even next week, but eventually they're going to order from you, and they're going to also tell other people to order from you. So it's going to be planting the seed and giving out a word of mouth for the quality of your professionalism and the quality of your work. So the biggest question is, how do you set your prices for your items? A lot of people get into this business and any other business don't know how to set their prices. So what they do is they make sure their prices are the cheapest on the market. That's not the way to go, because what is that going to attract? cheap people who want discounts, and those are the people that are going to be the biggest headache, and at the end of the day, it's not going to be worth it. So what you need to do in this business is understand the cost of your supplies. So what you're going to do is, once you understand the cost of your supplies, you're going to multiply that by 2 or 3 times the amount of your supplies, and there's your price. Or let's say someone wants to order 30 shirts from you and you don't know how to price it. So what you need to do is call another person that has the same business as you in your area and see exactly how much they would charge you for 30 of those shirts. Then you can know exactly how much other people are charging, so then you can know exactly how much you can charge that person. So you can charge between 2 to 3 times the amount of your supplies, or you can set your prices accordingly to people in your market. But never set your price as the lowest price on the market. That's not going to attract the people that you want to deal with. There are people out here selling shirts for $500. So don't be scared to charge $20 to $50 for that same shirt. It's about the quality and the time of your work. So now that you understand the business, you're profitable, and you're looking to scale, you can purchase screen printing equipment. Screen printing is great for big orders. So if people are ordering at minimum 20 orders, this can be great for you. You can be pumping out orders super fast, and the quality is going to be amazing. Or you could be like the friend of mine. You could be printing out heat transfers and selling them to businesses or even clothing lines. This is going to be great for you because you don't have to deal with customers. You don't have to worry about finding 1 or 2 customers. You can be shipping out to businesses and clothing lines. They're going to be ordering from you a lot more. And the best thing about it is they're going to be doing the hard work, which is pressing those designs and finding the customers. Or you can use both of these methods. You can do screen printing and also creating those heat transfers and do an online business. So you can turn this $200 investment into a multi-million-dollar business. I know a lot of people are going to be, no, you can't make a couple $1,000,000 off this business. There are people doing this on a day-to-day basis. Yes, you can do it. It takes a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, but if you put in the work, you can do this as well. So now what you guys all been waiting for, how do you enter this giveaway? First things first, follow me on Instagram. Then blow up the comment section. Leave all of your Instagram names down below. As soon as we hit 50 comments, I'm going to be going live on my Instagram account and doing the giveaway. So make sure you hit the bell notification so you're notified as soon as I go live. If you're not following the instructions, you're not following me on Instagram, or leaving your name in the description below, then you're not going to enter the giveaway. A lot of people did not follow directions for those dispute letters, but I still sent them out anyway. So for this giveaway, I need you guys to follow all of the instructions. Thank you guys so much. I'm doing this giveaway because of you guys, for all of the support that you guys are giving me. So the least I can do is do a giveaway. So if you haven't already, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you're notified anytime I post a video, and as always, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you guys so much.